How to make black and white image in Photopea. Hi guys, welcome once again to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can make black and white image in Photopea. So how do you do this? The first thing to do is to log into your Photopea account just like I have done here. And then once you're logged in, just go ahead and open a project. Alright, so once you open a project, you report to the project page as you can see on my screen. And then once you're on this page, the next thing to do is to go to the top part of the screen where you can see a menu containing some tabs, and these tabs include file, edit, image, layer, select, filter, etc. Just go ahead and click on image. Now once you click on image, a box would be displayed. Now in the box displayed, you'll see other options such as mode adjustment, right? So ensure you click on adjustment. Now once you click on adjustment, a box will be displayed next to adjustment option, and then this box you see other options as well, such as brightness slash contrast, levels, curves, exposure, vibrance, color balance, then black and white. Just click on black and white. Then once you click on it, a box would be displayed. So let's try that again. Image adjustment, black and white. All right, yeah, so this is it. Now that you can see the black and white, now the next thing to do is to select how you would want to edit this. All right, so you can just select this black option next to the colorize. All right, so once you click on the black option, you can now see the color picker. So yeah, you can now pick the color. All right, for you, since it's black and white, you can just select white, then click OK, then click OK. And just like that, as you can see, this is now a black and white image. Very simple. So go ahead and make as many black and white images as you would love to. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.